G'day folks, how you going? Skypilot here. That's right, I've got the X220 Eachine's little budget entry drone out here again, and I'm at a different location, and what I'm going to do today is do some rock steady footage with my FireFly X-Lite up the front there. I flew this yesterday and I've got to say I was really impressed with how well it flew. It is a budget entry level type of drone. It is a big clunker. She weighs a ton, but it is bulletproof and it flies really well. Today I'm going to fly it with my 1500 4S. Hopefully it should last for more than 5 or 6 minutes. Slow cruising around a mountain bike track just around here, so it'll be interesting to see how the VTX handles through all the trees there. I'm not too bothered if I crash it because I already know this thing is as tough as nails. Good to see you. Let's get cracking. Four beeps, so that tells me I have set my X-Lite onto the rock steady. It's not the highest resolution. I believe it's 2.5 at 60 frames per second. Just make sure that it's not going to fall out of there. It's the rock steady mode for the X-Lite. Footage comes out quite nicely with that mode. It's not 4K, as the 4K on the FireFly does not allow for rock steady at the moment. Goggles are recording. Let's just put on angle mode. Make a little bit windy here today. I'll just put on angle mode because, like I said, I am going to just try out some cruising around. A bit of a mountain bike track here. Where you start from pretty much here. Let's see, to make sure there are no lights around the place. We head up here and we head down here over the jumps. Make sure there's no one coming. Like I said, I did fly this yesterday and I was really impressed with how the VTX handled the picture through all the trees yesterday in the buildings. So I'm going to go down here and see how we can go. I'm going to go really slowly. Don't want to hit any trees, getting a little bit of break up. Now I'm actually pretty much out of sight from my goggles at the moment because this is going downhill, so you guys can see that 600 milliwatt VTX on this thing performs really well. And I'm no pro, so if I can negotiate my way around here, yeah, I think speaks for itself. This is really nice and easy beginner quad to fly. Let's see if I can get down the bottom here through these trees. I will be very happy because this is right out of the way of everybody. See, that's really impressive, guys. And down here, I'll show you in a minute. Let's just pop up here. So I am right up there. See all the trees that I try and get my transmission through. No mean feat. It's pretty impressive. Alright, head back down and finish to the track. I've got some other quads that are 600 milliwatt. Sensor lost, hello. Some other quads that Sport 600 milliwatt of VTX and are nowhere near as good as this, so I'm really impressed. I'm most probably likely going to hit a tree here. A little bit of break up now, probably because I'm looking at the ground. Just a bad habit of mine. I didn't think I'd negotiate my way around this track so well, guys. Not at all. A bit more break up. It'll be interesting to see how the footage turns out. A little bit shaky, it is a bit windy here. Bit of a wreck there, and there we go. Wow, hey, that performed really well, folks. Let's go for a cruise over here and line ourselves up for a flyby, a good flyby. Low on batteries. There goes the way. Okay, we better head back now. We're getting quite low on batteries. Okay. If I can finish off with a little bit of line of sight. Hopefully there's enough power for a quick line of sight. Let's just stop that recorder. No, I'll keep it going. Yeah, pretty impressed, folks. This is a nice little unit. Nice on the wallet and really nice to fly too, considering how heavy it is. Oh, I can hear the battery draining. Oh, that's a close call. Okay, just stop the camera. I was just cruising along fairly slowly. I'm not too sure about this factory angle. You could probably modify that if you wanted to with a different mount or just attaching your camera a bit differently. Next time I'll chuck my Osmo Action in there and see how that performs. Lots of fun. Thank you. Lots of fun, guys. Drop us a comment. See you next video. Bye for now.